Today we are making the best butter biscuits you have ever tasted. Come on, let's get cooking. First thing we're going to do is preheat our oven to 450 degrees. Next to the bowl, we're going to take 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour and throw that in. 4 teaspoons of baking powder. 4 teaspoons of white sugar. And 2 teaspoons of salt. And we're going to mix that all together. Now to our dry mixture, we're going to add 2 cups of buttermilk. And get a spatula in there. Make sure you get it all out. And we're just going to mix this together until a wet dough forms. You're gonna know when your dough is done when you don't see any more little pockets of flour hiding at the bottom or on the sides. So it should look just like this. And it's going to be pretty fluffy and airy, and you're going to see a lot of air pockets. Now for this recipe, you're going to either want to use an 8x8 or a 9x9 square baking dish. I'm using a 9x9. The only thing you want to really make sure of is that you have high walls so that nothing overflows. Now to our pan, we're going to add 8 tablespoons or 1/2 cup of butter, and we're just going to pour that right on in there. Once we got our butter in, we're going to take it and just lightly go around the sides just to make sure that nothing sticks. Just make sure you don't spill your butter. Then to our pan, we're going to add in our biscuit dough. You're just going to lightly get your biscuit dough into your pan. Make sure we're getting all of the dough out. And it's going to be a little sticky, so don't worry, it might take a minute or two. Just making sure you get it all out. Once your dough is in your pan, you're going to want to gently smooth it out and make sure that all the corners are touched by the dough. Try to get it as even as possible. I know it's kind of easier said than done. Make sure you get it all over. So you don't want your biscuits rising not equally. Again, this is another step that might take a couple seconds to get done. Take your time, be patient. No sense in rushing. And it's okay if the butter goes on top as well. Because these areas got a lot of butter, I'm just going to take a little bit of pulling that happened and just spread it over. Alright, now it's time to pop this into our oven. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes until golden brown. Once your biscuits are done, let them cool 5 minutes in your pan. Lastly, turn your biscuits out. You can cut them to whatever shape and size that you desire. Absolutely perfect. Serve these butter biscuits alone, with jam, or on the side of some sausage gravy. Any way you eat them, you're gonna love them. Remember to share, like, and subscribe to keep going on more cooking adventures. See you next time.